Let us see today the geographical diversity of India. So here we will see the location and the physical division of India, right? So let us start with the topic. India is known for its vast geographical diversity. This diversity is seen in the landform, climate, vegetation and wildlife across the country. So here you will see a lot of diversity is there. Different things are there in the landforms, climate, vegetation and wildlife across the country. So if you are going to talk about the location of India, then India is located in the northern hemisphere. It lies between 8° 4' north to 37° 6' north latitude and 68° 7' east to 97° 25' east longitude. So this is the latitude and longitude, the location of India. Tropic of Cancer, that is 23° 30' north, passes almost halfway through the country. Okay, and India is bounded by Himalayas in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in the east and Arabian Sea in the west. So this is the location of India. So let us talk about the physical division of India. India is divided into 6 major physical divisions. The first one is the Himalayas, and it is the world's highest mountain range, stretches across northern India, and it is divided into Greater Himalaya, that is Himadri, highest peak like Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga is here. Lesser Himalaya, that is Himachal, valleys and hill station like Simla and Manali just falls here. And Shivalik, outer Himalayas, that is the forested hills. So these are the division of Himalayas. Now, how the Himalayas were formed? The Himalayas were formed when the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate about 50 million years ago. Now this collision caused the land to fold and rise, creating the Himalayan mountain range. It is an example of young fold mountain and is still rising due to ongoing plate movement, right? Second one is the second division of India is physical division, that is the northern plain. So it is made by the deposit of Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus river. Fertile and flat land, so this plain area is fertile and flat and it is good for agriculture. Now northern plains are densely populated region, right? So this is the second division. Third one is the Great Indian Desert, that is the third desert. It is located in Rajasthan and sandy, dry and it receives very little rainfall, right? After that the peninsular plateau is there. This is the oldest landmass formed by volcanic activity. It includes Deccan Plateau, south and Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. Now after that coastal plain is there, that is it lies along the eastern and western coast. Eastern coastal plain, it is wider, includes deltas of rivers like Godavari and Krishna, and western coastal plain is narrow and rocky. So this is about our coastal plains. Finally the island, here Andaman and Nicobar Island is there in Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea and beautiful coral island and tourist attraction. So these are the physical divisions of India, that is the Himalayas, northern plain, the Great Indian Desert, the peninsular plateau, coastal plain and the island. The cold desert of India. The cold desert of India is located in Ladakh, in the Union Territory of Ladakh. It lies in the Himalayan region and has a very little rainfall, extremely cold temperature and barren rocky terrain. Despite the harsh climate, some vegetation grows near river valleys and people practice limited farming and animal rearing. So this is the cold desert of India. It is in Ladakh, right? Now if we will talk about the climate diversity, then India has a varied climate, tropical in the south and temperate in the north. And if you are going to talk about the seasons, then summer, winter, monsoon and retreating monsoon is our seasons. So natural vegetation and wildlife. Based on climate and soil, India has tropical rainforests, deciduous forests, thorny bushes, mountain vegetation and mangroves. It is rich in wildlife like the tigers, elephant, lion, deer, peacock, etc. Many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks protect biodiversity. Cultural diversity and unity. So different languages, festival, clothes and food habits are there, but people share a common sense of unity and patriotism, right? Even though we are culturally diversified, but it shows unity. People share a common sense of unity, right? So India's geographical diversion, that is, the diversity, makes it unique and rich in natural and cultural resources. From snowy mountain to desert and from coastal plain to thick forest, India offers a variety of landscape and life. So this is the geographical diversity of India. So it is a quick revision of the chapter. However, I'm going to cover the chapter in detail also. In the next video, we will see the geographical diversity of India in a detailed explanation. This is just a quick overview of the chapter. So this much for today.